Now, this is how you can adjust video speed in your iPhone. Let's get into it. The very first approach and the simplest way how you can do this is, of course, using the built-in camera, where the regular video is going to be in the real life normal speed. Then the slow motion video will be slowed down and the time lapse will be speeded up. But this is not really that professional, or it is kind of obvious that you can do this. However, for actual adjusting of the speed of your existing clips, you will need to use a video editor. More options to pick from, but the one I like to use is called CapCut. And using this app, you can import video clips on the timeline. And when you select a video, many different toggles and controls at the bottom can be clicked and adjusted. One of them, of course, is the speed. And when you click on speed, you can choose it from the normal, which is going to be the linear speed, to curve. But if we start with normal, you can essentially just double that speed. You can make it 100x, and you can also just make it slower by slowing it down to like all the way up to 0.1x. So plenty of different options and things to customize in here, right? So that's kind of how it works. But also you have the curve, where you can choose a custom curve and make it, speed it up from the beginning, then make it normal speed for a while, then slow it down, then make it bump up again. You can play around with the speed as much as you like. So this is how it kind of works using this app. Then you can export that video with the edits in place and end up with a nice speed ramp effect, or just, time lapse, slow motion, whatever you like, and you will probably be happy because you did all of your changes and adjustments yourself. So that's it for me. Hit the thumbs up on the video if you liked it. Subscribe for more tutorials in the future, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.